Kunjani makunje manje? Yeah, koto. City happy birthday namhlanje manje. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. City happy birthday to you. Ukhulile wena, ukhulile namhlanje, ukhulile wena, ukhulile namhlanje. Yeah, siyawuqalisela ilanga lakho godogodo, sithi khulu ungakhokobi madoda. Yeah. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Sengeza lumnyaka umnyaka uthi omunye phezulu kweminyaka. Ukhulile wena. Sengeza lumnyaka omunye uthi omunye phezulu kweminyaka. Ukhulile wena. Sengeza lumnyaka omunye uthi omunye phezulu kweminyaka. Ukhulile wena. Umalayija udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho godo. Umalayija udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho godo. Umalume udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho godo. Ungakhonjwa udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho godo. Sithi happy birthday to you. Sithi happy birthday to you. I-GPS idlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho nzimbi. Ufakathi udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho mkholisi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Facebook udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho mlambozi. Facebook udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho mlambozi. Ucheki udlala umhlaba wonke, imisebenzi yakho kwazo. Sithi happy birthday to you. Yeah manje, awutshela abafana ukuthi yeah wayi awukhuluma nabo zalo.
Happy birthday kuwe Mandela, sekugezele lo muntu mnyaka phezu komunye. Happy birthday wena Mandela, isikhathi sonke lesifundisa ngempilo, ngicela uqhubeke unjalo ungakhokobi. Ngikufisela okuhle empilweni yami, ngifisa ukhule njalo ufundise abantu bethu. Happy birthday wena Mandela. ngikuphisela ukudla wena madala wami-ke ngithi happy birthday kathini Nkosi kodwa futhi omkhulu ngikuphisela okuhle ngicela wena ukhuluma ngobomi kuze kube nini siqhubeke njalo thina sishaya le ngoma imisebenzi yakoshani yabukeka-ke happy birthday happy birthday happy birthday wena wekathi Nkosi-ke ubonga mpofu umshabaye ubonga mabose uqhubeke njalo wena bobe kule ngasile umtshelo ongalandelayo bantu bobe fuza amanzi ngobo happy birthday happy birthday happy birthday wena kudokhulu abanye kade batithekile ukuthi bese ngoba wena ngumlindi wale ndoba ye asiqhubeke kunjalo wena mandala ungatsheli njalo ukhuluma kokhobike ufundise abanye njalo labantu bakho ukuthi le ngoma thina soyidlala kube nini yeye yenda mase khulume nabo fana kanjalo
Now, how old are you, Koto? How old are you now? How old are you, Koto? How old are you now? How old are you, Kaya? We are one just ingoma yakuya ku-album
kuhle
Energy Crew
kuhle
maduze so sabe sithola antsho phela
kuhle sibili
maduze kuhle kuhle siphimbe sibanenge anti
hayi